In this video, I'm going to show you how to change author name in Adobe Acrobat. So if you're talking about comments, you can do that very easily. So I'm going to click on comment over here, and then you can click on the comment tab, add a comment, and whatever you type in here, as you can see, the author name is going to be yourself. So to change the author name, you can right click on your comment here or here, and then you want to go to, of course, if I right click on the name, you want to go to properties, and in here under general, you can change author's name. For example, I'm just going to do instant and click on OK. If you want to prevent these changes from actually, of course, reverting back, you want to go to Edit and then Preferences, and here under Commenting, you want to uncheck this, which says Always use login name for author name under Making Comments, and click on OK. That's the first way to do it, but if you actually want to change the document metadata, you want to go to File, top left, then Properties, and inside Properties, you want to go and change the author over here, for example, instant, click on OK, and you're good to go. So that's how to change the author name. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.